This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Charlie Webb. Don't miss your chance to own this cozy 4-bedroom 2-bath pool home on a double lot totaling 1.12 acres with a view of Henderson Lake. Open floor plan with tons of natural light and beautiful natural wood LVP flooring throughout. Split floor plan creates privacy between the primary suite and the guest bedrooms. Through the sliding doors brings you to your very own private in-ground heated pool and spa. New reverse osmosis water filtration system with water softener, fencing around the entire property, 20 by 25 metal building. Convenient access to Henderson Lake with 2 boat ramps nearby. Close to downtown Inverness with plenty of choices for dining, shopping, as well as numerous options for parks and bike trails. For more information,